Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export all tables from the database in Qlik QVX format. The same principle can be applied to QVD files, Excel files or text files and even insert scripts. So here we have a lookup which lists all tables in Access database. Let's start from creating a new package. Let's call it creating QVX files. So let's start from setting variables. The variable is going to be called root folder. And it is going to be C files. So next step, we need to create the actual folder. Create folder, try that. Let's folder name and type is variable. And after that, we need to do a loop over the table names. So it's database loop. And we set connection access source. And lookup is going to be tables list. And we have to add another action, SQL to QVX. Again, we need to select the connection, access source, and the SQL is going to be select star from name. This is because how our field is called in the query. We also want to replace the variable, and target file is going to be name.qvx, and we need to say that it is variable. Let's add some external application, and we will use it to show the folder content. To do some links. I need to copy the variable name. So what we want to do, we want to start it in this folder. Those parameters. It's going to be variable. Application is going to be Explorer. Okay, so I think we are ready to run our transformation now. Let's start running it. And here's our folder. And if we double click on it, another piece of software called Qlik will show us the content of the file. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please post them on our support forum. Thank you, bye.